Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
Areho. Wohwe the way ya nkrofo bi mrante bi tenase hwe kwan a ombefa so acraft bibi. De aye adwuma mu sa no adwuma na bi mu so ete ba bi plan say wo bra wo ho akonya usika aye adwuma nya usika no. Wo de kwa na ya to ahye wo so na ya beje. Enansi ya on say ize achimota ha ya bi si ha video capture omo a boys bi a obi akoyi ni sika free bank enwa na omo akwa attack no the same thing now wa stretch no offer me fra flight esi Tamale afa car station ho ba bi omo ye interchange government ye interchange no o Tamale akwa pen na stretch no offer ewaye na esusu ehu ye na ofiri wa asoso na se o koboga na fatumu fresh no asoso akwa kwesi boga nti oso minimum hoso ye na ofa honum na ehun se no wa
ewu sinso ne wa to solar
ball anyway no ofa honum na de se ball we ndi ofa ayi ha se ya techi e fense wenchi a
wenchi bana kwanta
na ukofa ho no mafa ho akọ na ndom pen na mafa damango side no so akọ wa
foforo so damango mole
hoso akọ wa ofa sa kwan mienu nyina ye kwan a ewowa na so ehu but ekwan ye so ehu pa wo sa area ho eye wa to boga that to mu stretch no ofa oduru ba bia na wa ehu ebo
a police report nini or see a team of personnel from PID led by Deputy Superintendent of Police Uti Prempe arrived in the Bono East region and met with some informants at Kintampo. The informants informed police on the suspects behind the recent highway robberies and kidnappings within and around the Savannah and Bono East regions, especially Bole, Banda Kwanta, New Longro, and their adjoining communities. Following the intelligence at Kintampo, the team proceeded to Sola in the Savannah region, and while the team had tipped off that one Ali Igudu, a notorious armed robber and the leader of the robbery gang in Sola, who together with others robbed and murdered Alhaji Usman Amadou at Nyamia Fichre, a village near Bole, was hiding in a location and mobilizing other robbers to embark on another robbery along the Bole Banda Nkwanta highway. The intelligence also indicated that suspect Ali Igudu, after robbing and murdering Alhaji Usman Amadou, he also murdered Fusaini Galagala, an informant who assisted police to kill one of his accomplices and arrested one other in that robbery and murder case. The police team swiftly moved to the said location and arrested him. He told police on interrogation that the weapons they used in their robbery expeditions were with suspect Idrisu. He subsequently led police to arrest suspect Idrisu, an amputee at different locations. Was an armed robber. Can you imagine? An amputee at different locations within Sola. Suspect Idrisu also told police that the weapons were with suspect Ali Dramani at Boli Sawaba. The team proceeded and arrested suspect Dramani Idi at Boli Sawaba, and on interrogation, he admitted and told police he had gone to hide the weapons at a footpath at the outskirts of Boli along the Boli Banankwanta Road due to their pending operation. While the police were escorting them to the said location to retrieve the weapons, their accomplices had information about the arrest and the presence of strange vehicles and became alert due to a call placed to them. When the team got closer to the location, the suspects asked police to stop the vehicles and work with them as the vehicles could not be driven through the footpath. When team escorting the suspects got closer to the location, their accomplices immediately opened fire on the police, and in the midst of the confusion, the suspects who were leading police suddenly ran into a nearby bush in different directions. The police tactically returned fire, and in the process, bullets hit suspects Idrisu and Dramani, who fell and bled profusely. The other suspects, including suspect Igudu Ali, however, managed to escape into a nearby bush. Whilst the team was conveying the injured suspects to the Jena Government Hospital for treatment, suspect Dramani Idi mentioned his accomplices as Ali Igudu and Idrisu or Fulanis. Suspects Idrisu and Dramani were pronounced dead on arrival by medical officers on duty at Jena Government Hospital. Bodies of the deceased suspects deposited at same hospital mortuary for preservation or autopsy. While efforts are being made to locate suspect Eli Igudu, who escaped with gunshot wound for his arrest. Exhibits to wit, Talisman, one SAR-9 foreign pistol was retrieved from scene and retained for investigation. Comments. The general public is advised to report to the police any persons who may show up at any medical or traditional healing facility with gunshot wounds for treatment for his arrest and investigations. The regional commander, Savannah Region, and the crime officer were accordingly informed. Further development will be communicated to you.
Ofa. We read statement here already. On say reho pa. O timu say e calculated 10.
Omu kokuma police for no.
Omu say kokuma police for no. Say wo ya beche wo di boni ya beche wo. Na ye do ko akwa retrieve guns na wo dia hide no. Na wo accomplices no mo omu ka ne ho no. Ate say o police for e bia 356 and the car 2 dey e baaye. Enti no mo hwe omo a omo free hide omo beduru ho be time say. Enti yankonkwa ambushi wo mo. Total ambush.
Ehu
pa. Police for no. Yankopon ofa.
DSP oti frempon oti frempon.
Yes, am na baso. Na sebe enko wuye a police ni wuye a na afi na nke ye ba be ma omo medals. Ya be to omo ranks mu. Ta dwumadi a nkrofo ye di na anu yi. Police fo ye di o se ye bo ma baso. Especially omo leader no. Say omo timi escape ye. At least omutimi enya nkrofo ni bi shooti wo omo down. Omo ye adwuma so a sebe police adwuma no nye obi a ne betimi aye side. Na I think say police adwuma no
omo yenko nwura mu hokora na mudi wo omo
chi kura no. Ehu
ahade mutimi fa kanko
mumiyesi nante ena say nkrofo no omo le ambush ni so omo omochi so omo omonim so omo omuchem unim.
And as I'm growing, you can't be sure Mukeke. You can't be sure
Mukeke. Over a bit more Jumo. I'm saying sometimes a more special team for this operation. A more special team. Your police need be on a cost search operation. Because they will be a choir of a police phone can be wuno. Go ahead and grow for be on swapping. Or maybe I'm saying talisman. I'm retrieve guns, any talisman. Talisman, only the other. Ubon to an eye a prugu.
Ubon to an aprugu. Now, who pressing in also soon?
Here. Mesi aboabo offer etena aboabo aboabo naira mosque no opposite ho na na yete iman kankani no ye konkwen ne makankani abo nkrofo pa eji anadwo na ofo mukokobọ no wabontene maba
madwane aba
police for ne ba wa the way omusini police for ne ye no police ni ba ko there was a night bia na misua de wo veranda no ya bronsan so na misua de satam ss time ye kwa kwotro bi ssc do the socks shesha abo ntontom ya toto ne magugata mama ntontom apai di o ti abonten na te say empontom no
plani tu kura so etimi de ehon ntontom ba
ehon ntontom ba na ntontom no for mo nko omo pem Don't Obaro Pemo knows that Tomaka. In two bed dressed, they said here. Oh, Bobono. Now to a police for the buy ya or Mobabet and robbers or my buying to hiding. Back ye. So we are the dang aquanin toffum. Now police ni back in Timitiano or Tiano Keku or ye boyana. Or Tiana Kekena Quanada form. Na ordinance aso ni sisi no say talisman if egu akwana sa ansa no mutimi e de hankofo egu akwana nsa
eye CPP fo ne UP fo eye NLM fo ntoko kumase no na Aswanse community center ofoi e baaye na se ne CPP fo no so awuram ama omo so yaka kire omo so akwa no tise wo de ade bo na tikopɛ amfa ade mo na tikwa no way enti CPP fo no so eweta so ampa ofwe ba ye kikiri ena mo de blog bonetiko otop from say team era UP fo ne nyina it is just when you be am na nwura man kan say
inside information over tell me pano okwo no de na titi tare dan you
Wonya na tiko.
Wonya na tiko da.
Obi so asa je se wonya no na utimi e de ade awura se be ne tunimu.
Tunimu.
Sa chapter we chete di be bia te se dade. Je se de tunimu pe.
Tunimu pe. Nti ofa akwa na timi police ni timi tia no ma akwa na tetoye. Na oti anse no mutimi arrest no. Nti sankrofo we no amunam kwa. Nti police fo no so no.
Tia no no. Ano talisman.
Talisman free na se. Anse no mutimi de handcuff because what did that dey no kwa to ne nsa. Obete no.
Ye boy dey ni bi.
Obete no.
Wona be
say si wo sokode and no dey say history.
Si wo sokode na dey na si wo sokode.
Na akakpo vi so jeni no.
Akakpo vi.
No so ye den. Di tuuru ko mu na akua no hu so. Bullet ni wura akua no. Di fana na so jeni ni so edi. Aso do hu say bansere na da akua na asere no. Ese what is abansere no. Won ante sa abansere na akua no. Ontumi nkumu. Ene wote bansere na na tuuru. Etumi wura ye boy mu wo sokode. Sa ho. Se na tuuru etumi wura no. Ansa na wode tie egu no so di petrol. Was wo se ne honhom kura nse se etre wi ase. Obaba be yo sama.
Ye boy so aye bi o.
Ipekum.
Oye bi o. Na prosi fo mra makwan se ugodi aduro no akotenam.
Debi no de adakabe onim. Mamenka aye robbery case bi. Robbery cases here kokokoso. Adibia, we need to take it very serious. Obey miribini, it is not going down. It is increasing. Over 2 decades now. Oti robbery, yeti robbery. First nan kente say you. First ni pa no wura wo dem no aba besesa wo ne amako. Tu nka ho.
Opportunistic thief.
Good. But say no, akwakwa isi wo de tu siwu so.
Omun so bibia. Ofri say wono no wa tafre no ma.
Inti odi tu siwu so. Na weja pade. You see, and the people who do that, they have nothing to protect. Oni interest biya. Ebi oni ba. Oni yire. Oni bebi oti. Oni ejapade biya obo ho ban. But wo yire. Wo ma, ebi wo ma 5. Omu susua wo nyingi. Wo si wudan kakra bi a wutima wo rebon ho ban. Wo no onkwa ho hia wo. Esen sa young man no kretu na oni ban ni yire no. So we need to be very, 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 very careful. Because when no copre no, intina police for workers say nipa no ba, o si robber no ba, o de ni ope bia ye den. Pama no, na bo unkwa ho ban. Wo nkwa wade. Na bo unkwa ho ban mum. Ushia am robber te se ni amaami di a ye hu wo. Traffic mu ya robbers no ba ya, wo park in the car nanim, na wo yi tu, wo ye be biesa. Bako kura try so be bie passenger side no, but it couldn't want to be mbie. Inti nipa driver no side na obi e no de tuo no kire maame no so ase eyen hihye bi a won asoma se won beje ade mfi maame no ho inti wo bie maame ne dan no sa na obi don driver ne don na oye yi pena me se maame ne peja ade no ena ode amma won te se ne won asoma oye awe se wo ba beje bibi afi no ho. That is what I love about it. Bibi agu so onye sabat ne nkwa hu hia no
ade obeka bia be di so
se tuo ne kita no no
akwa bi di to tete glass ni na ba ko so di to gina ha ono so so e ba o dia na we
tika na esen
tuo ne kita no no. So what I say, you see, Ghana no, we need to be very, very careful. Na ye nam so I say
maybe adakabe for no sorry ya kata nay armed robbery on the Wild Road. Inti team led by DSP Oti Prempeno. At the end of the year, can't to encourage and motivate them.
See, Adakabre, the police knows very well, say, Wonga waya robbery no. Wonga dindru. Wonga ko jendru dia bon bang. Into most of the police officers, let me tell you the truth today. The few I know, they don't walk alone. Seriously, they don't walk alone. He say wonga waya Christopher, woje Christo dia officer.
To say IGP.
You, say ono the OGP. So what you say, BB say no, different. But apart from that, no, young guys, I know some few people. I can't mention name. One have baby. I will say George. Charlie sometimes say tuni bi bakura na. Wakasa chiri tuna sa onga tu. Nti enye wo skukura na ba tuni to me divertina ba also because of sa young local indru ni adinti. Some of them no one equip you. We need to
and also a necessary say I was a process for dear Duranta no mako operations be of that sort.
I know there a police in nepe. enya aban nim ho hwe
na so nim na se do ko ba bi sa so say hu
ene che se wo police ni no wo police ni no se eye wo pe se wo bebo onkwa ho ban so what I say
anti system ben na your pen saying umpanifo de bo ho ban a wo say wa ankasa afa ba bi bo ho ban
the system to protect the police or the security services in this country has been one of the biggest problem that we have. We have problem with this security service because sidearms, I have said it here one day, because I say sidearms, which are supposed to be given to junior ranks, are the war front now, which I say one civilians community. We are not giving them the sidearms. What for ASP are not the sidearm now, man. In Penyinfo no what the pistol amawon. Now what the tifie. Na hwe bullion van yi sa pikapi police nia otima obusika ho ban na odituo na hye ne nantem na tuo no kyerɛsoro nti tambɛn no ba beyi sa tuo no apuma sa tuo no ɛde akyerɛ nipa no so na sa nipa no onku no dada nti ga side pisla the moment o yes say pe ode na sa hye nkyɛn sɛ oyi ya na ne to ya ne oyi pisla na ne to ya ne ɛna pese ne kura mpanyimfo no ɛna wɔde titifie wɔn ada ɛna police ni na okura pese na ɔde ada no wɔsan kura AK47 de tini gate ano
oh ano de pese na
ada pese no mom no ɔde ada ɛna wɔde tuo tenten na ɛkyɛsɛ before a ɛno kura bebre wɔ hɔ a service nkura yɛ problem sometimes you see them holding it like that ɔmo kroke ento anya adwuma wɔ kroke anya adwuma so what I say nti system I say you put in place to take care of the security men no? We are not putting those measures to take care of the security men. That is why one ankasa wo pe hu bango different apart from say rebemo what friend said vest bulletproof ne sa niama kade na say wode ma won fa ma won. Nti the best way this is say wo pe won kwa e bi say wo fa chiri kakra na wo pe kwan bi so na wo de bon ho ban. As you say Ghana baby a Ghana rekono. People are doing things with impunity. Adaka me be e ka say nka mo beti asem boni.
Aden.
What to be bo me wo kwan so. Yeah. Zongo Junction
moto
Masalachi
apanyini so
me bag
oh
bag a me de bag
ateto bag nyina
the bag ni nyina oh bag na na esen me ha say it be twem say the motor was coming from the wrong direction who say ufi adentana wo ba down say it me cross no I was watching left
because
Honda minim say car be betumi not to we na motor no fi me right. If you right to lucky me crosses into a bomb nan enemy bag no enemy nsase nti wa mbom ni pemu no bomb nan nti be crosses every no bomb nan na me bag ni nyina e no no tehweye nti o tehweye da me bag and won say na me bag na ye no nti o tehweye na oye no so won pa che o ma me na bibi onu kure fi o de ba no e na me kan say o se na ye de wo de me bag no hwe wo ton bag bi wa bag nti de kohwe na to bag ni bibra na me mfa me niam ngum me nkwa na hu hia me minkwa kura media bitumi kasai ene oh na asenia wabre no ho ase oye yi kakra oh pa na adaka bra me kame papa masha guy no nso
anadaka
mise masha no nso
ojare jaro
mise masha no nso adaka bra masha kwa mise bishana bishana adaka bra menka
eyiwa
adaka bra
Rollins via ni mo no majiriga no na wo de moto akobo obi Honda yen register branke wo de bo to a eno no wakofa ka no ne Honda de gina nchen ka ho asem na wagya moto na to kwan ne mfimfi eti nyame nko a sanye se me ni da form ena me ha me say me hwe woni Honda ni no a yata ka me ko huri fa moto no so afedi me huri ya two go gina moto na nim te no on to buase
ono se blame
me si ni si nka obetino na me nti show
moto for no
obetino me nti show
bi adwuma special delivery for no ena bi mo so didi nsemo ne on say ye ka no say youth no was sustainable job a ofa say o ka business yi
Utie Oha Exi Punk no Needs FM